The request for this scoop was fidgets to bring to school. Anything not meant for school will be switched. Stretchy feet are fun. These look more like a snack than a fidget. Glitter sugar ball. Super quiet. Jiggly donuts. These can fit in your parka. XXL poppet. Too big and loud. Bye-bye. Foam squish. Quiet as can be. Sand animal. Bubble blobbies. You might be tempted to throw these on the ceiling. Squirkies. I love these. Extra long water wiggler. These fly out of your hands. Fidget pop slime. Quieter alternative to a poppet. DNA ball. Pop tube. Too noisy. Jellies ball. Here is a squishmallow for your first day of school. Enjoy!